Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. And today in this video, I'm gonna show how to remove new settings homepage on Windows 11. If you're new to the channel, please make sure to subscribe. And now let's begin. To hide or remove the new settings home on Windows 11 Pro, Enterprise, or Education, open Start on Windows 11, then search for GPEdit and click the top result to open the Local Group Policy Editor. After the Local Group Policy Editor opens, browse to the following path. Now double-click the Settings page Visibility Policy. Here choose the Enabled option and then change the Settings page Visibility setting value to the following. Now click on Apply, then click on OK. Once you complete the steps, restart the computer to apply the changes, and then the next time you launch the Settings app, you will no longer see the home page, and the app will open directly into the system's settings as before. Now the PC has restarted, and as you can see, there is no home page. Instead the app shows system settings as before. So that was it. Hope it was useful. Consider like for the video, subscribe to the channel, and if you have any questions, just comment down below. Thanks for watching and have a great day ahead.